Hello everyone, I'm Monica. I'm technical trainer in Training and Placement Department at Pace Institute of Technology and Sciences. Today I'm going to start Fundamentals in Python Programming Language. By using Python programming language, we can develop server-side web applications, first one, and next one is software development, and we can use mathematic applications also. We have so many applications are there by using Python. Okay, first, present I am using IDLG editor. It is a basic Python editor. Okay, first concept is how to print the data in output screen. Okay, in C language we can print the data in output screen by using printf function, but in Python we can print the data in output screen by using print function. Okay, by using print function we can print the data in output screen. Here print is what? It is a function. It is a user defined function or predefined function. We have two types of functions, user defined and predefined function. Okay, print is a predefined function. Why it is a predefined function? Here we cannot write any logic to print. It is already predefined by the Python introducer. Okay, here how we can print the data in output screen by using print function. Here I am printing hello. Here hello is what? It is a string. Why I am calling it is a string? String enclosed in double quotes. Okay, now I am executing this file. I am pressing F5. It is asking to save file. Extension to save Python file is .py. Extension is what? .py. I am saving. Okay. What is the output? Hello. Okay. By using print function, we can print the data in output screen. Okay. Again, I am printing integer value. Okay. Printing the data. Print function takes arguments. What are the arguments? Okay, print function takes one argument is separator. Okay, separator is comma. Okay, what is the output will come? See. Is there any change in output? There is no change, just printing the string. When we will use the separator argument in a print function, minimum 2 strings. Okay, here I use only one string. Now I am using another string, hello pace. Okay, here you can observe that two strings are separated by using comma. Why it takes comma as a separator? Because I passed here comma as a value to the separator argument. Suppose I give here star as a separator. On that time it takes separation as a star. I hope you understand the argument separator. Okay. Another argument is end. Okay. What is the use of end? Suppose you cannot use the argument end in print function. By default, it's take as a new line. That is nothing but the /n. You can understood by taking another print function. Welcome. String is welcome. Okay, now I am executing. What is the output? Hello, space, pace. And next line, welcome. Here I used two print functions. Okay, two print function outputs in separate lines. It does not print in same line. Why it takes in separate line? By default, print function takes as a new line. Okay, suppose I want to separate two print statement with a new character anything. On that time, use sub end attribute, end equal to backslash. I want to separate two print statements with the separation backslash. See once. What is the output? First print statement is hello pace. Next separation what? End attribute contains slash. Okay. Default it takes new line. But here I am using slash as the end. What end attribute will takes? Okay. Here end attribute I given slash. That's why in same line it will separate two strings, two prints by using slash. Okay. Next, suppose in print function more than one string with comma separation as a parameter, on that time it prints space in between the strings. Comma means appends space. Okay. See once. I used hello and paste as two parameters in print function. Okay, I given comma in between two parameters. Then it takes space in between the two strings. That means it appends the space. Comma means what? Space. Suppose I use space as a separator between two strings. In print statement, I used space as a separator in between two strings. Then it will take as a concatenation of two strings. See once. What happened? Hello and pace are concatenate. There is no space in between the two strings. Here you can observe that when I use comma, then it will append space. When I use space, those two strings are concatenate. There is no space in between the two strings. This class is about print. Okay, now I am explaining about print, different ways. Okay, suppose I want to print string in multiple times, same string. Okay, what I want to do? Suppose I want to print pace 5 times. Then I want to use star. How many times I want to print? 5 times. So here pace prints repeats 5 times. If you want to repeat the string n number of times, then you want to use string star how many times you want to print. Okay. Next, identifier. Next concept is identifier. What is identifier? Identifier is nothing but the name of a variable, class, function, etc. How we can identify you? By using name. Okay, that's like only you can identify variable or class or functions by using identifier. Okay, variable. Next concept is variable. What is variable? Variable act like as a containers which is used to store the information. Okay, variables act like as a container which is used to store the information. Suppose I want to store 5. Okay, in variable. Here my data is 5. I want to store in variable. The variable name I used here is A. For consider variable name is A. what are the rules we want to follow when declaring a identifier or a variables? Variable names. What are the rules we want to follow when we are declaring a variable? We have some rules. Variable names contains capital letter, small letters A to Z and capital letters A to Z and digits 0 to 9 and special character only underscore. In variable name, small letters A to Z and capital letters A to Z and digits 0 to 9 and underscore. So first point. Okay, next point is second point. Starting letter of the variable may be underscore or character. Okay, starting letter may be underscore or character, small letters A to Z or capital letters A to Z. Okay, but starting character is not a digit. In between the variable name, you can use the digits also. But starting character is capital letter A to Z or small letters A to Z or underscore. Third point, when declaring a variable, you should not use keywords as a variable names. What is keywords? You cannot use keywords as a variable name. What is keywords? Keywords is nothing but it has some specific functionalities, some their own functionalities. Okay, that's why you cannot use keywords as a variable name. What are the keywords? We know what are the keywords. We are new to the Python. That's why we don't know what are the keywords. That's why we want to know what are the keywords. How you can know the keywords? See, I want to print all the keywords in Python programming language. Okay. Print statement is used to print the data in output screen. I want to print the keywords. Keyword. To use the keywords or to print the keywords on that time, want to import the keyword library. Okay, keyword module. What is library? Library is a collection of predefined function. If you want to use those predefined functions on that time, must and should include the library in the top. So I want to import that keywords module by using keyword import. Import what module I want to use? Keyword. I want to use keyword module. That's why first I am importing that module into that library into my page. In which page? Python page. How you can say it is a Python page? The extension is .py. Now I want to print all the keywords which are present in Python programming language. So library is what? Keyword. I want to print all keywords, that is KW list. Here KW list, that is nothing but the keywords list is a function. How you can say it is a function? The name followed by parenthesis means it is a function. Now I am executing. See, here KW list is not a function, just it attribute keyword dot KW list. So it displaying all the keywords in Python programming language. How it display? It display in the format of list. List is nothing but a array. In C language array, it here it is a in Python programming language, it is a list. These are all keywords. We cannot use these keywords as a variable names, identifiers. That is nothing but the identifiers. Okay, how many keywords are there? We can check by using length function, we can count how many keywords are there. Length is a predefined function. Okay, here I am using len function. Len function is used to count the how many values, how many keywords present in the list. See, how many keywords are there? 35 keywords are there. Okay. Suppose you want to check particular name as a keyword or not. Here now I display all the keywords and how many keywords are there. Now I want to check particular variable is a keyword or not. Okay, see how you can check keyword module keyword dot is keyword is key of. I am passing here if. Okay. What it displaying is true or false. If is a keyword or not, it is true. Suppose I am using variable name print. Okay. Here print is used in Python, print is used to print the data in output screen. That is the purpose of print. Suppose I used print as a variable name. Okay, now I am checking print is keyword or not. See what is the output. Print is not a keyword. That's why it display as a false. Suppose I am using for. For is a keyword. That's why it display as a true. Okay, you got the point. If you want to check particular name as a keyword or not, on the time you want to use keyword dot is keyword function. Is keyword function takes only one argument, that is maybe a direct string or variable name. It returns either true or false. Okay, you got the point. Okay, we can move to the next concept. Okay, variables. Variables are used to store the information. Here variable name may be a long name or short name, but you can use as a meaningful name. Suppose I want to store integer variable value, then I am using var1 equal to 5. Here var1 variable contains what? Integer value 5. Okay, now I am printing the var1. Print var1. Okay, now I am executing. What is the output? 5, because var1 contains the value 5. Okay, in assignment we have two types. What are those? Multiple assignment and chained assignment. What is multiple assignment? Suppose you want to assign multiple values to multiple variables. Okay, that is called the multiple assignment. How? You can see. Suppose var1 comma var2 comma var3. Here how many variables are there? 3 variables. Now I want to give 3 values. var1 contains 10, var2 contains 20, var3 contains 30. This is called multiple assignment. In single line, multiple variables assigned with multiple values. Here how many variables are there? 3 variables. How many values I assigned? 3 values. Number LHS left hand side variables count is equal to right hand side values count same. Okay, otherwise gives an error. Now I am printing var1. var1 contains what value? 10. See, here what is the output? 10. This assignment is called multiple assignment. Okay, next I want to assign single value to multiple variables. Suppose in some situations, same value to multiple variables. It's not good to declare multiple variables in separate lines and assign same value to multiple variables. Okay, that's why there is a concept chained assignment. See one example. Var1 is equal to 5, var2 is equal to 5, var3 is equal to 5. Three variables, var1, var2, var3. Three variables contains what's the value? 5. Here I used how many lines? 3 lines. But in single line, how we can reduce? By using chain assignments. By using assignment operator is equal to var1 is equal to var2 is equal to var3 is equal to 5. Now var1 contains value 5, var2 contains value 5, var3 contains value 5. Now I am printing what's the value? Variable name var2. Okay, what's the output? Variable 2 contains 5 value. Okay, here we have two types of assignments. What are those? Multiple assignment and chained assignment. Okay, multiple assignments means multiple variables, multiple values. Chained assignment means same value, multiple variables. Next concept is comments. Here I used comments, that's why I'm explaining about the concept comments. Comments concept is very important in any programming language you take. C, Python, Java, .NET, HTML. You can take any programming language. The must and should concept is comments. Comments concept is there. It's very important. You want to know what is comment. Comment lines describes what a particular block of code does. First point is what? Comment lines describes what a particular block of code does. For example, I am printing welcome to PACE. For example, I am printing welcome to PACE. See, welcome to PACE. Okay, welcome to PACE. For suppose you are new to technical, you don't know what is the use of print statement. Okay, now I am using comments. Okay, the below statement prints data in output screen. Okay, I think all of you know about the English. All of you know how to read the English and understand. Okay, in comment lines, I wrote the below statement print data in output screen. Even though you are new to technical, by seeing the comment line, you know what the print statement does. Okay, that's why comment lines describes what a particular block of code does. Second point is comment lines does not executed by either compiler or interpreter. Suppose you wrote 10 lines of code in your file. You want to skip some lines in that program. On that time, you want to use comment lines. Those lines, what you comment that not executed by either compiler or interpreter. Once we can see here, in comment lines, I read the English text, but it does not printed because comment lines does not executed by either compiler or interpreter. Okay, Python is a interpreter programming language. What is the difference between compiler and interpreter? Compiler takes total program as a input. Interpreter takes a single line as a input. Okay. When compiler throws error after completion or execution of all lines instructions in a program, but interpreter it finds any error in single line, then it throws immediately. Okay. I hope you can understand comment. Okay. Suppose I don't want to print this print statement. On the time I use as a comment. See, here you cannot see any output because I commented the print statement. How many types of comments are there? Two types of comments are there. What are those? Single line comment, and second one is multi-line comment. Okay, we have two types of comments, single line comment and multi-line comment. Single line means we can comment only single lines. Okay, one instruction only. Multi-line means we can comment more than one line. In Python, single line comment we use hash symbol. Okay, here we have two types of comments, single line comment and multi-line comment. Okay, by using single line comment, we can comment only single line. That means only one line. Okay, multi-line comments means by using multi-line comments concept, we can comment more than one line. Okay. In Python programming language, there is no concept of multi-line. Okay, there is no multi-line comments. But how you can comment more than one line? By using concept docstring. By using what concept? By using docstring concept, we can comment more than one line. What is docstring? Docstring describes what a particular block of code does. Here you can see what is doc. How we can use a docstring. Triple double quotes or triple single quotes. You can use triple double quotes or triple single quotes. Docstring follows triple double quotes or triple single quotes. Suppose I am using this is docstring. Okay, multi-line comment. Okay, here how many lines are there? Here two lines. What are those? This is a docstring and this is a multi-line comment. I want to comment these two lines. By using single line, I can comment only this line. This is a docstring. But multi-line comment is not commented. That's why I used multi-line comment. That is nothing but a docstring. Okay. This is the concept of comments. Next, we will move to operators. Next concept is operators. Now, what we discuss, what is print statement? Okay. Next, what is variable? Next, what are keywords? Next, what is comment? What is the difference between compiler and interpreter? Okay, these are the basics. Okay, now we move to the next concept, operators. Okay, we have different types of operators are there. Okay, first concept is arithmetic operators. First concept is arithmetic operators. Okay, what are arithmetic operators? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo division, floor division, exponent. These are all arithmetic operators. Plus means addition, minus means subtraction, into means multiplication, slash means division, percentage means modulo division, double slash means floor division, double star means exponent. Okay, we can explain one by one. Now I am commenting all these. How we can comment? By using multi-line comment. That is nothing but a dog string. What is the first operator? Addition. Okay, what is the first operation? Addition. If you want to perform arithmetic operations, minimum how many values you want to require? Two values. Minimum two values required to perform arithmetic operations. You can perform within static values or dynamic values. Dynamic values is nothing but the variables, reading the input from the keyboard. Okay, first we can move through static. Suppose var1 contains a value 5, var2 contains a value, var1 contains a value 5, var2 contains a value 6. Now I want to perform the addition operation in between var1 and var2. var1 plus var2. Okay, now I am storing the result in separate variable. Result equal to var1 plus var2. Now I am printing the result. Print function takes argument result. What's the output? var1 contains 5 plus var2 contains 6. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. Now result variable contains the 11. See the output. What's the output? 11. Okay. Here interpreter, how many bytes of memory will allocate to the variable. Here you cannot use any data type concept. Use any data type like C programming language in char, float, double. No, there is no concept, data type concept in Python programming language. But how many bytes of memory will allocated by the interpreter based on the assigned value? Okay, like C programming language, we cannot declare a variable before we are using that, and we cannot use the data type concept in Python. Okay, where you want the variable, you can directly use that variable. We cannot declare before the variable using. Here var1 contain 5. 5 is what type? Integer type. Okay, how you know that it is integer type or character type, float type? We have a predefined function, type function, to know what type of value it is. You want to see that? See, what function we want to use? Type function. What variable you passed as an argument to type function? Result. Result contains what's value? 11. What is the type of 11? It is a integer value. See, what's it written? Int. Int class. Okay. Next, this is the concept of arithmetic operation addition. Okay. Next, subtraction. Okay. Now I am commenting this result. Here I am using subtraction concept. Var1 contains 5. I want to subtract var2 from var1. What's the output? -1. Okay. Var1 contains what value? 5 minus var2 contains 6. 5 minus 6 minus 1. Okay, subtraction operator. Next concept is multiplication. Okay, what is the operator we want to use to multiply two values? Means star. Okay, now I am multiplying var1 value and var2 value. Var1 contains 5, var2 contains 6. 5, 6, 30. Okay, here I am storing var1 into var2 into another variable. No, I am not storing the result into separate variable, because here I am just printing the output. What's the output? 30. Next operator is division. Okay, symbol is slash. Now I am dividing 5 and 6. I am just interchanging variable. I am dividing variable 2 and variable 1. The operator is slash. Variable 2 contains 6. Variable 1 contains 5. 6 by 5. What it will returns? 6 by 5 means it returns coefficient. See, 5, 6. 5 ones, 5. Okay, what is the remainder? 6 minus 5, 1. And what is the coefficient? 1. Here what we will get the output? 1. What is the output? 1. Division operator returns the coefficient value. Okay, suppose 7. You can assume that 2 contains 7. 7 by 5. Okay, what is the output? 5 ones 5. What is the remainder? 2. What is the coefficient? 1. So the output is 1. Division operator returns coefficient. Okay, see the output. What is the operator? Coefficient. Coefficient in fractional points. Okay, you can observe here. Okay, next point. Here you will get 0, 20. 5 fours 20. Remainder what? 0. Now what is the coefficient? 1.4. I hope you got the point. Now what the operators we discussed? Addition operator, subtraction operator, multiplication operator, division operator. Next operator is modulo division. What's the operator? Modulo division. Symbol is percentage. Okay. What's the symbol? Percentage. Now I am dividing variable 2 with variable 1. What it will returns? Remainder. What it will returns? Remainder. What is the remainder? 0. You can see here. Sorry. What is the output you got? 2. Okay, 5 ones 5 and the remainder is 2. So what is the output? You got 2. Okay. Next operator is floor division. What is the operator? Floor division, and symbol is double slash. What it will returns? It will also returns coefficient, but it does not return in fractional points. Normal division returns fractional point 1.4, but floor division that does not return fractional point. It returns the floor value. What is the output? 1. What is the floor value? 1. Okay. Next operator is exponent. Next operator is exponent, and symbol is double star. Okay, I am using var 2 double star var 1. Var 1 contains 3. Var 2 variable contains 2. 2 double star 3. 2 double star 3 means what? 2 into 2 into 2. 3 times repeating. 2 twos 4, 4 twos 8. See the output. What's the output? 8. These are all arithmetic operator. Now what are the operators we discussed? Addition operator, subtraction operator, multiplication operator, division, modulo division, and floor division and exponent. Okay, these are all arithmetic operators. Okay, next we move to suppose I want to print sum of var1 value and var2 value equal to result. Now I want to print like this. For example, var1 contains 5 and var2 contains 6. Here sum of var1 value what? 5 and var2 value what? 6. Sum of 5 and 6. Result is what? 11. Okay. Next, subtraction of 5 and 6 is equal to, what is the output? -1. Multiplication of 5 and 6. 5, 6, 30. Okay, we want to print like this. What you can do? Okay, you can write a program. Okay, I am printing these statements by using print function. Print. Okay, string. Sum is what here? String. String enclosed in double quotes. Sum of. Okay, again I want to close string because 5 is not a 5 is here, it is a dynamic, you can change the value, so that's why I am using here variable name var1. Okay, again what is the and is a string enclosed in double quotes. Again what is there? var2 value, I am using var2 comma. Next, what is their assignment operator? It is a string. 11 means result. That is nothing but the var1 plus var2. Already I discussed what is the use of comma separation. When you pass more than one argument to print function with the comma separation, then it will append space. You can see here what is the output. Sum of 5 and 6 is equal to 11. Test case is passed or not? What the given test case is? Sum of 5 and 6 is 11. Okay, you got it. This is one way. Okay, another way is by using modulo operator. Okay, what operator? Modulo operator. By using modulo operator also you can print the string. How? You can see here, this is just print. I am commenting print. What I want to print? Sum of 5 and 6 equal to 11. This is the string I want to print. But 5, 6, 11 are not a constant. It's not a static. I am getting from the variable 1 and variable 2. Here I am using percentage %d, percentage %d and percentage %d. Here I am using modulo operator. First value is what? var1. Second value is what? var2. Third value is var1 plus var2. Okay. Now I am printing. Sum of 5 and 6 is, what is the output? 11. Okay. Why I am getting triple one? Because I used here 1. That's why. Now you can see what is the output. Sum of 5 and 6 is 11. We can use this like also. By which operator? Modulo operator. Here I used what? Format specifier. Okay, percentage %d means integer value. Percentage %s means it is a string. Percentage %d means integer. Var1 contains what value? 5. 5 is a integer value. Var2 contain what? 6. 6 is also integer value. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 is also integer value. Okay, suppose here I am printing string. For example, you consider var1 and I am printing hello. See the output. Sum of 5 and 6 equal to hello. What is the format specifier I used? Percentages. Percentages format specifier for string. This is another way to print the above statement. Okay. Another way, important concept is dot format. What concept? Dot format. See once. How to print the above statement using dot format. Print what the string I want to print. Sum of 5 and 6 equal to 11. This is the string I want to print. But 5 and strings are not a constant. I am getting these values from the variable var and var2. Here I am printing the above statement by using dot format concept. Okay. Dot format. Dot format is a function. Okay, here I am using curly braces where I want to use the variable names. 5 and 6 are the variable names. Okay, and the output is also dynamic, not a constant. So how many braces I used here? 3 braces. So dot format function also want to take 3 argument. First brace, in first brace what we want to print? 5. 5 I am getting from var1. Next brace I want to use 6. 6 I am getting from var2. Okay. 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 Next brace, I want to print result. Okay, what is the result? var1 plus var2. Okay, now I am executing. Sum of 5 and 6 is equal to 11. By using dot format concept, I print the above statement. Suppose I want to print, okay, 6 and 5. Suppose I want to print sum of 6 and 5 equal to 11. But I do not want to change the variables, arguments in dot format method. Here I also use index based. First index, what first value I want to print? var2. Where var2 variable available in dot format function? First index. Index starts from 0. 0 index var1. 1 index var2. var1 plus var2 in second index. Now I want to print 1, that is nothing but the var2, and var1 available in 0 index, result available in second index. So I want to pass 2. See what is the output. Sum of 6 and 5 is equal to 11. Okay, are you got the point? Okay. In another way also we can use, what is that, you can see here. Here I am assigning var1 is equal to 7, var2 is equal to 8. We can observe what is the output. Okay, just I am printing var1 and var2. Okay, var1 and var2. Okay, I hope you can understand today's class. Okay, today's what we discussed, fundamentals of Python programming language basics. What are those? What is the use of print function? What are the arguments we can pass by in print function? Next to variable names, keywords. Okay, next to dot format, modulo operator. Okay, next operators concept. In operators concept, only arithmetic operators we discussed here. Okay, in next class we can continue. Okay, thank you.